was the reason? Is this outfit? Uy, din.
Oh yeah.
Back to ibita hodimento.
I feel like a Buddha. What?
Well, good morning, amiga. Welcome back to a new vlog. Today is December 26th, and I'm currently in the process of getting ready because I am going to pick up my sister from the station. Yesterday was Christmas. I didn't really vlog at all. I just took the time off to relax and rest because I really needed it. After all the vlogging, the Vlogmas, constantly uploading, editing, all of that, I thought it was time for a break. So I took the break, and today we continue the festivities because today is actually our Christmas, you know? One thing that is different from other places in the world, or maybe not even, like here in Belgium, the 26th is not Christmas anymore, but in our culture it is the second day of Christmas. So today we've celebrated as our general Christmas day, and the fun thing is that here in Belgium also the stores are open, so we're gonna have some Starbucks at the station. And my sister also wanted to check out Primark real quick, so we're gonna try to do that. And then after that, we're gonna come home and continue the festivities, have the good food and all of that. So excited for that. But now I need to get ready. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right. By the way, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm finally at the bus stop. I'm gonna be late though. Yes, I'm gonna be late, but it's fine. I'm just gonna text my sister. Really? What was the reason? What was the reason? I'm gonna text my sister and let her know so that she won't get panicked when she gets there and I'm not there. But it should be okay. Maybe I will be 10 minutes later after she arrives here, so should be fine. But yeah, at the bus stop now. And I can't really show you my outfit, but maybe I will try to think of it later to share it with you. But it's pretty cute. I'll share it with you later. Okay? So yeah, let's go. Sissy! Hey Sissy! Wat wil je drinken?
I wanna.
What do you wanna?
Caramel, yellow,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
All right. Cheers, amiga. Cheers. Starbucks break. Cheers, amiga. Delicioso. We are now back home and I got a little gift for Benny because I only had one gift for him. Even though it's Christmas every day in this house. We get each other gifts all the time and there was nothing really else to get him. So I thought this would be cute since in the other vlog I got him the Simpsons sweater. He really liked that one and he's wearing it a lot. And I thought this would also be pretty cute for him. So thinking whether I should leave the tag on in case it doesn't fit. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on, it's okay. Wrapping gifts. The city was so busy. It was so crowded everywhere. Oh my god. I was like, do these people not celebrate Christmas? It was crazy. I already changed into comfy pants. And then after this, my sister and I are gonna start on dinner, like prepping all the things. We're gonna do like a little potluck dinner type of situation. Just little things that can become big things together. So that's kind of the vibe that we're going for. This time, this year around, the guest is getting most of the gifts. I love wrapping gifts. By the way, I also wrapped a lot of gifts not on camera because I didn't want my sister to know about everything that I got for her. So it's gonna be really fun. Oh, and not that me, Benny and I got her a few things. Hey girl! I'm wrapping gifts. Okay, a gift. I only have one. To wrap. Do I need to wrap the one?
Yeah, if
you got for Benny?
Yeah. And then
is mine already wrapped?
No.
Oh.
It's not.
Okay.
Then you need to leave. So I can wrap yours.
Alright.
This is nice.
But oh, nice. He got 3 gifts then. What's up? What's up? Hey. Is this our food?
Oh, yeah. Bulan kita
Eso era. Anggi ko sigura siguro.
Po ibitaho de mento? Better. Back to ibitaho de mento. And how are you feeling to be here? No, let me put the camera like this. How are you feeling? Blessed. Okay.
I feel blessed, girl.
You feel happy to be here?
Yeah. Extraordinary.
Oh,
happy. Yeah.
That is great. Wait a second.
I don't know. Sometimes, like, not that I'm sad, but sometimes, like, holidays make me want to cry.
Want to cry?
Yeah, they get me so emotional. It's like birthday, but now I'm not that emotional. But maybe I'll cry when I get gifts.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I'm just an emotional baby.
Okay. It's okay.
Damn, shit looks fancy though.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you, sis. I think this is so fun. All the fun is today because yesterday I didn't do shit. Are you okay?
Yeah. This is Benny's gift.
Oh, that's cute. Look at what Penny's getting.
Yeah.
A Levi's shirt.
Hindi speedy tampoco, but
it's okay. We'll try the otro papel.
yeah.
It's not gonna match.
This is pretty wrapping paper though.
From Action, actually.
Oh, okay.
Ik heb een ding droom hier bij Action.
Dit wil je bij extra.
Ik vind het toch zo gezellig dat je er bent.
Me too. Dit is een schaar voor rechtse mensen.
I am not sure. Het kan wel zijn.
Ja, want hier maar hier aan mucha manga.
No, let me just see, Pablo. Guys, how are you feeling that Vlogmas is coming to an end? How are you feeling about that? I'm relieved. I'm relieved because my eyes are tripping.
Twitching.
Yeah, they're twitching. Yeah, that's the word, twitching. They are twitching the whole time. But it do helps when I wear my glasses though.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it does.
Give some rest.
Yeah.
To the eyes.
To the eyes. Aw, that's cute. He's gonna be so happy.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. He doesn't care, but at the same time,
He does.
yeah, it's fine to get something.
Ik wil helemaal hoor. Leave now.
Alright. Alright, amiga. We are now gonna have our dinner. You know, it's more like tapas style. Antillian tapas. So yeah, we're gonna start off with ayacas. Here we have our ayacas. Cheers, amiga.
For the win.
Mm-hmm.
Wat doen jullie meestal in soep? Jij en je familie.
Surfen?
Ja? Zo saai.
Oké.
Hè?
Oké, nog vast gaan we.
Gewoon eten. Ja, rondje. Gewoon eten.
Ja, eten toch?
Hè? Oh, oké.
Maar misschien iets meer uitgebreider. Eten jullie aan tafel? Eten jullie niet aan tafel?
Eten jullie samen? Of-
Eten van.
Ja? Deixei assim.
Amiga, pon een muziekje.
Do I look like a motherfucking DJ?
Oké, amiga, met mijn muziekje.
No. Now, Ben, what are you grateful for? Tell us.
Health,
Health and
money, hard work.
money?
Hey, a lot of people lost their jobs this year.
I get that. But money? Okay. We see you daar Commander.
I changed completely in my pajamas. Nose is also completely in her pajamas. And Ben has been chilling all day. And now it is time for us to open up the present.
Yoo-hoo!
Woohoo!
There you go.
You're gonna get two because you have a lot of presents.
So, but I told y'all to behave.
Alsjeblieft, start with that one.
Ooh. Ooh. What is it? What is it? I love it. I love it.
Do you? Je moet het zetten op langer.
Oh, this is so cute. This is a journaling book. Yes. Oh, I love it. With a pen. Waarom staat prijs? Sorry. Oh no, but it's cute.
It's the thought that matters.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
I love it. Like never out.
So what did you get?
I got a journaling book and a journaling book and pens.
Yes.
Matching pens.
Alright.
Pink.
Yeah, you can give it to Ben, the wrapping paper.
Oh.
Not your present, not your present.
Next one.
Go get the other ones.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Keep them coming for the guests.
Oh, okay.
But why did y'all do that?
Because we wanted you to be happy.
Aw,
Very cute, man.
Aw, pajamas. Yes. I love it. Oh, daar kan ik vanavond lekker in slapen.
Ja, ga je lekker douchen nemen straks?
Ja, heerlijk.
Lekker slapen.
Kijk er naar uit, jongens.
Ja, toch?
Wrapping paper guest. Wrapping paper guest.
Have a holly jolly Christmas. Oh, this is so me,
Isn't it?
Yeah, this is coming from J-Lo in this bitch. The Bronx. Hey, the Bronx. Ooh, no, this is cute. I love it. Ooh, no, this is cute. Ooh, damn. Ooh, that's so cute. Ooh, Narciso. I like this. I like this.
Do you?
I like this brand.
Oh.
Ooh, this is cute. Oh, so, oh, like lekker hoor. Oh. Ja man. Oké. Hey, na deze vlog moet ik douchen met blauw hoor. Want ik... Nee, nou, hobby douchen. Nee, echt lekker man. Nee, but this, die Narciso is echt...
You can't go wrong with Narciso,
No.
right?
Ooh, I feel like a Buddha. Like a Buddha. I need to go get my fan because I'm getting too excited.
Ben?
See my little one or love. Oh, lovely by Lulu. Yes. Oh, this is so cute. No, I love it. Ooh, cute, y'all. Y'all be hooking me up.
Of course.
Yeah. Okay, I love it. Bruh, are y'all serious?
Yes, we are serious.
After this, y'all can go, like.
No, we're not done.
What?
Yeah.
What? Are y'all serious?
Yes.
Bruh. Damn. But damn. Okay. Oh, that's so sweet.
Of course. Another one.
Another one.
Yes.
Damn. I love this brand. Y'all got me a little overwhelmed with these gifts.
I'm sorry, sis.
Whew. Let me have a drink.
I think I need to change my battery. This is not gonna go right.
I need some too. Mag ik hier even naar de wc?
Yeah.
Like, I didn't expect this at all. I need to go cry in the toilet? Huh? Shut the fuck up. Stupid asshole.
Sorry. Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, battery switch.
Now, I do feel a little emotional, but I'm not gonna cry.
Okay. Well, we'll take a break. Break time. Nose needs to go cry in the toilet.
Like a little bitch.
Yes.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love it. Magic way. Ja, niet dat ik dat zou gaan.
Nee, maar toch.
This is so cute. This is so me ook.
Ja.
So extra. Ik ga ze gelijk aandoen.
Okay.
Oh my god, and I needed this.
Right?
Ja. Nou, die skeren op het toffel zijn echt skeer. Echt hoor. Er staat skeer op en het is ook echt skeer. Hé, douche joh. Wel een beetje groot, maar maakt niet uit joh. Ik zit toch binnen. Dit is, en dan kan ik mijn rode wijn drinken. Met wat pantoffeltjes aan.
Heerlijk,
I
toch?
love it. Dagcremmetje?
We're close.
Why? What is it? Ooh, no, I didn't show it. Stop playing with me. Hey. What? Yeah, what? Y'all be doing the most. Y'all is so extra. Ooh. People spend bands on me. Ooh. Oh, lekker man. Well guys, I didn't expect this. Well, I didn't expect this. Oh, nou.
Je kan even vooruit. Met
Echt
een paar
hè?
twee.
Ik kan zeker vooruit. En ik ga sowieso al nergens, dus, but I love to have it. Gewoon part of my collection. Ik ben ook begonnen met sparen.
Ja.
Ooh, but the aesthetic.
Yeah,
like,
right?
what is we talking? Ooh, this is cute.
Ja, right?
This is cute. Nou waar? Oeh.
Mag ik even proberen?
Deze is wat, ja, deze is wat zacht maar ook wel. Oeh, nee. Ja man. Ooh. Well, thanks guys.
You're so welcome.
Y'all, thank y'all.
You're welcome.
Heel graag gedaan.
You deserve it.
Oh, thank you, buddy.
You're welcome. Wel, het was een setje en we hebben alle 3 voor je gekocht.
Oh, oké. Oh.
Yes.
Ja, want ik zag die reclame wel.
Ja.
Ja toch?
Ja.
Maar het is toch leuk om zo alle 3 de flesjes te hebben.
Ja.
Happy?
Ja, I'm very happy.
She better be.
Ja. Maar goed, er waren hints in de video's die ik al heb gepost.
Oh, echt?
Ja, want ik zei zo in één video, in een gift guide video van you can't go wrong with nuts sea salt.
Maar,
So you could have known, but also not.
girl, you went to all the gifts that someone could give. You went
That's
to
also true.
all the gifts that someone could give. Oh, that's
I did
cool.
really
I
want-
like my gift. Oh, yeah.
Happy that you like all of it.
Yeah, I do. We're gonna start off with this one.
Het is een grote snoep.
Christmas pajamas!
They look cool. They look cool. They look cool. Tonight I'm sleeping in these.
Yes!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's so cute.
Next up, we got more Benny.
Nee, die als laatste, toch?
Die is laatste? Oké.
Of
Oké, die is laatste dan. Another Benny.
I love it.
Yes? I hope it fits.
Would you see it? Yeah. Yeah, I like
It looks so tiny.
No, it's not.
Okay. You're gonna wear it on top of what you're already wearing?
To show you that it's
Ah,
not
okay.
fine.
Okay.
oh,
That's really nice.
that suits you.
The color is really cute.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
that's
that is
dope.
really cute.
Yeah.
Really cute.
It's dope though.
It looks really nice on you. Yeah, just for you to wear at home or whatever.
Or whatever.
Yes. And your last one from Nose.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Ah. Okay. I love white shirts, so thank you.
You're welcome.
What told you?
Yeah, but she asked me.
Ah, okay. Size is also great.
Ja?
Thank you.
Oh, dan moet ik even dat dingetje eruit doen.
Wat een ding.
Het prijskaartje.
That's good. Thank you, cashvrouwen.
You're welcome.
No, thank you.
You're welcome. Damn, this year I couldn't spoil y'all, but
It's
coming.
okay.
It's coming.
It's okay. Thank
Okay.
you. For me? Ooh.
Ik ben rood, no?
Ja.
Alsjeblieft,
Thank
Jenny.
you, Benny. Aww, thank you, Nose.
You're welcome.
Mwah.
Ja, nee, dit gaat
Makeup light.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, sorry. Makeup light that I got from Nose. And I also got what Nose also got.
Yeah.
Christmas pajamas.
Pajamas.
Ooh, I'm gonna wear them too tonight.
Matching.
Thank you, Mr. Claus.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Alsjeblieft.
I needed to. I'm sorry.
It's cute. No, it's cute.
Yeah. Slippers. Slippers. How am I gonna do this? Oh, beauties. Okay. Let's see. A gift and a gift. Okay.
That's
But what
interesting.
does this look like? What do you think it is?
A cigar.
Did you buy me a vibrator? Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. Oh shit. Okay, come on. Oh, jeetje.
Irritant, hè?
Ja, damn. Nou is je papel pas in de rollen. Okay, come on. Girl. I think I know what it is. It's probably a crystal. Oh.
Ah, that's nice.
Girl, what? That is beautiful. It's a crystal. A crystal. Oh my god, that is so pretty.
Yeah,
Thank you. Mwah. That is so gorgeous. Look, Benny.
Dat is een pennight of zo.
That's nice.
En
Really,
ze
really
zeggen
nice.
dat die heel zeldzaam is.
Nice.
It's very nice.
I'm gonna put that in my
No, you
crystal
should've-
collection.
Waar, daar. Zodat mensen het kunnen pakken.
Nee hoor. Het was hier omdat ik aan het journalen was.
Mhm.
Oké. Now onto the dildo. Another crystal!
Ja, dat is voor angel
Oh
energy.
my
en dat is om
god.
op te laden en dat je altijd beschermd bent.
Oh my god.
Ik weet niet waarom die bruin is, maar...
Very beautiful.
ja. En hij zegt... Ja, voel je dit? Dat hij echt een energie heeft.
Not really right
ja,
now,
dat
but
zei ik ook.
Ja.
Maar
Maybe later.
ja, het,
Ja.
ja, het is eigenlijk om al je crystals en je energie, dus engelenenergie. En I thought it suits you and I think you need some protection.
I do. Thank you. A very beautiful crystal. I need to look into what this is.
Celluloid heet het.
Celluloid? That is beautiful. Thank you so much. This is beautiful. Great presents.
You're welcome.
Very thoughtful, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Very what I'm into right now. So
Right?
yes. That is super beautiful. Super thankful for all the gifts.
Yeah, me too.
And it's mostly the thought that matters in everything. So I'm super, super grateful. Are you happy with your gifts, Benny? I said, are you happy with your gifts? He is. Are you happy with your gifts?
More than happy.
Okay.
What?
You are my guest.
Yeah.
So, yes. So she got the most gifts since she is the guest. And she also really deserved it. So,
Aw, thanks guys.
yeah. But now we're gonna chill, I think. I also need to work tomorrow. So I will probably vlog tomorrow, but I'm gonna take it very easy because my eye has been bugging me. So I'm not gonna go crazy anymore. So yeah, we will see how this vlog goes. But I'll talk to you in a little bit. We're gonna chill and enjoy, you know? Good morning, amiga. Good morning, amiga.
Morning.
Morning. It's now the next day and I just made us smoothie bowls. And by we, I mean my sister and Ben and myself. And we're now gonna have it. I'm also working because I couldn't get any time off during this last week of the year. So I'm just working. But it's okay. My sister is editing or listening to YouTube videos. I don't exactly know what she's doing. And I'm gonna work. So yeah, later today, when I'm finished working, we're gonna pick up some sushi from the city. And we're just gonna have it at home. So yeah, that's the planning. So during my lunch break, I will have to get ready for the day. But I'll talk to you later. Hallo, krijg ik ook nog?
Wat weer?
Ik ben er klaar voor.
Oh, je wilde ook koffie?
Ben na joh? No.
Ik dacht dat het van Noos was.
Ik zit hier te wachten met mijn camera aan en alles.
Echt, zit je echt te wachten met je camera aan?
Ja, kon je pendel.
Yay.
Amigo, want die mag je niet was. Je mag niet meer komen, want ik krijg geen koffie. Yay, thank you. Oh, wat heb je getekend? Een ballonnetje?
Niets heb ik getekend.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Benica. Thank you.
You're welcome, Jennyfer.
Okay, I have been ready all morning. Cheers, amiga. Cheers. Cheers. Is it delicious, your coffee?
Yeah.
Yes?
Like it.
All
I
right.
love it.
Mmm. Yes. Amiga, we are at home obviously, and we're gonna have sushi at home. We didn't go to the city, we just got the sushi delivered. Ben ik kijk je uit, want ik zag het al een beetje dansen.
Ja, laat het doen.
Okay, anyways, yeah, we're just gonna have sushi at home since the weather is pretty crazy outside, and also the sushi place where we wanted to get stuff was closed, so we got it delivered from another place. But yeah, bon appetit. This is our table.
Really? Bon appetit.
It looks good.
Oh.
We're now gonna devour. Here's something. Hey! Bota! 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 Bota!
Dropping my sister at the station.
Mapapa corona, corona, mapapa corona.